Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to turn off tap and click sound in your phone Moto G04. If you tap anywhere on the screen, there will be a sound. I open Google Chrome. I now touch on calculator and will touch an app or any home button or back button or whatever may be. For each tap and click there will be a sound, small sound. If you want to turn off the sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to settings of your phone here, then go to sound and vibration, and then here select tap and click sounds. Just turn off this button. Now hereafter if you tap any icon, there will be no sound. Okay, I don't have any sound as of now. So in this way you can easily turn off tap and click sound in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.